Hey guys, this is Devon Supersonic 5567, and today we will be talking about Teen Titans Go and DC superhero girls, mayhem in the multiverse. And so yeah, I watched this movie on Cartoon Network. This movie was so good. There was a lot of DC superhero girls vibes in this movie. Teen Titans Go, they did not even have a lot of. I mean, come on. All it was about was Control Freak. We have this Control Freak again, which to show the Teen Titans to react to the crossover event with the DC superhero girls, because they have been crossover with them like 3 times. I mean, no, 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. So I think that superhero field in Space House, and then now this is their third crossover. So I think that this is what makes it like, if you have like, this movie kind of makes sense because it was a lot of DC superheroes in this movie. And by the way, I think this movie is a lot better than Teen Titans Go See Space Jam, which I think was which was one of the worst movies I ever saw. So yeah, this movie is good. And then saying that, why was they not in the crossover a lot? Because it was a lot of DC superhero girls going. It was a lot of DC superhero girls going on in this movie. So like this is why it kind of feel like they did. Yeah, they kind of Teen Titans Go. They only had one crossover with the Teen Titans Go, and then that was all. This was like a DC superhero girls movie right here, because even though it kind of makes sense, this was a DC superhero girls movie right here, because it kind of makes sense, because this was a DC superhero girls movie right here, because this didn't even feel like it was a both between crossover at the same time. This was literally a DC superhero girls movie. But it kind of makes sense, because why in the heck would they just have to cross it over with sorry guys. Okay, I'm just gonna have to. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, so Teen Titans Go in DC Superhero Girls Mayhem in the Multiverse. This movie was pretty much a, like, I mean, come on, this is a lot better than Teen Titans Go See Space Jam, because they need to stop doing these crossovers to these characters. I mean, come on, even though they had Teen Titans Go even had their own theatrical film. And back in 2018, Teen Titans Go to the movies, and I saw that in theaters. That was a good film. And I will be doing a video of Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the movie, doing my talks about the movie and stuff. So yeah, so they yeah, this movie was good. It was a lot better than Teen Titans Go See Space Jam, because this movie kind of did not really like. It kind of makes sense, because normally when these characters like try to do good, good movie. This was a good movie, by the way, so I need to say that. Yeah, so this is a good movie. Uh, this is way better. It's a good crossover movie. It just feels like that they kind of have to say, if you're doing a crossover movie to one of these things that I don't really know, because normally when they do crossovers to these characters, they are just like being like just all the stuff. I mean, come on, like you're this movie was so good. A lot better than I thought it was gonna be. So yeah. So that's all I had to say. You guys see you guys later.